Hello guys and welcome back to another Adobe After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export videos in Adobe After Effects. The first thing you want to do is to come over to your composition over here and scroll down and select Add to Render Queue. And this Render Queue tab will open over here. The first thing you want to do is to select Best Settings. And you can come over here and make sure that your quality is set to Best and your resolution is set to Full. And you don't need to change any other thing here, just leave it at OK. Next, you need to come over to this Match Render Settings, this H.264 output module, and select this text. And here you can choose your format. You can leave it at QuickTime or MP3 if you want to export only audio, or QuickTime, but I'm going to leave it at H.264 because that is MP4. And I'm going to leave every other thing over here. The next thing we need to set is our location and our file name. So you come over to this output tool and select this blue text that says not yet specified. And at this position, you can give it a file name. So I can call this export1 and choose the location where you want it saved. So I could save it on my download folder over here and hit save. And once you are done with all of that, just come over here and select render. And you will see this current render loading over here. And once that's done, if you go over to your download folder, you'll find your export1 in your PC. And that's it guys on how to export videos in Adobe After Effects.